Hey children, here are 5 hidden systems inside you that work like literal sci-fi tech. Number 1, the glymphatic system. Your brain doesn't just think. It takes out its own trash. And it does it while you sleep, quietly, automatically, without asking permission. The glymphatic system is a hidden fluid network that clears away brain waste like dead neurons and leftover chemicals. But here's the wild part. It only activates when you're unconscious. It's like your brain hires a microscopic janitorial team at 3 a.m., and if you don't sleep, they don't show up. That's right. Skipping sleep is like locking the janitors out of a nightclub full of spilled drinks and broken glass. It even shrinks your brain cells at night to make more room for brainwash mode. No detox equals mental fog, memory glitches, and emotional chaos. Number 2, your fascia. Everyone knows about muscles and bones. But in between them is a tissue network called fascia, and it's more than just filler. It's a continuous, intelligent, sensory web that wraps around every part of you, like a suit of biological mesh. It senses pressure, tension, vibration, and even emotion, and transmits signals faster than nerves. Some scientists think fascia plays a role in trauma, posture memory, and chronic pain. It's like your body has a nervous system behind the nervous system, one that doesn't ask your brain for permission. Imagine a silent highway where tension, injury, or even mood travels like encoded messages. So that random ache you feel, that might be your fascia saying, I remember that fall from 2009, and it's still holding the grudge. Number 3, interstitium. Meet your interstitium, a newly discovered fluid layer that exists all over your body. It's basically biological bubble wrap. It surrounds organs, muscles, and blood vessels, absorbing impact, reducing friction, and buffering force. It also connects distant systems, like a subway of liquid highways, constantly flowing beneath your awareness. Scientists didn't even know it existed until recently, because it collapses when you cut into it. Yep, it hides during surgery, like a shy little ninja pocket dimension. And without it, your organs would grind, your tissue would tear, and basic movement would feel like internal sandpaper. Number 4, the enteric nervous system. There's a brain in your gut. No joke. It's called the enteric nervous system, and it can operate independently from your actual brain. It controls digestion, gut instinct, and produces 95% of your serotonin. It has memory, reflexes, mood influence. You feel something in your gut. That's not a metaphor. That's legit data processing. Basically, your stomach is smarter than half the people on Twitter. And when your real brain shuts down from stress, your gut still runs the ship, quietly keeping you alive and emotionally stable. It's your autopilot system tucked behind a ribcage. Number 5, the microbiome. You are not alone in your own body. Trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi live inside you, working with your immune system, digesting food, regulating mood, and even affecting decisions. It's called the microbiome, and it's like your own internal civilization, with politics, alliances, and microscopic drama. Some scientists compare it to an operating system. Version 1.0 of you includes bacteria with their own agenda. Change your diet? Your microbes reorganize. Get stressed? They signal back. Even cravings might not be your cravings. That late night urge for sugar? Possibly good propaganda. You're basically a walking spaceship full of microscopic passengers yelling instructions. And some of them might be steering the ship more than you think. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. See you.